Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cocos. In my previous videos, we have been watching how the Cocos broke out a very big wedge on the weekly time frame, and after breaking out, we had a very big rally, but the price line moved back, retraced back, and it was testing the previous resistance of this wedge as a support. And I told you that in case of successful retest, we will have a very big price reversal. But unfortunately, right now, Cocos is failed in testing the previous resistance of this wedge as a support and re-entered inside this rising wedge pattern. And at the same time, we are also having the resistance of a very big up channel as well. This rising wedge is formed, in fact, inside a very big up channel, and the same support of the rising wedge is also the support of a very big channel. And in case of reversal, we were expecting at least a move up to this resistance of the big up channel that was approximately at $6.50. But right now the price line has re-entered the wedge, and it is testing this price level support we have at $1 and moving down to test the support of the channel. If $1 will be broken down, then it can test the support of the channel that is approximately at 80 cents. That is a very big support, and we can see that the price line first tested the support here in May 2021, and then we had several retests, but so far the price line is not able to break down the support and also not able to break out the resistance as well. Now if we take a look at this $1 support level, then we can see that previously this level has been working as a very strong resistance. Here it worked as a strong resistance, and here it has been working as a strong resistance for the several weeks, and right now it can work as a strong support for the price line. Now if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then price line is forming higher low, and the RSI is also forming higher than previous low, but there is a possibility that, for example, if the price line moves here sideways, or if it will test the support of the channel, then the price line will be still making a higher than previous low, the higher low than previous low, but RSI can move down and it can form a lower than previous low, and there can be a hidden bullish divergence flashed in that situation, because there is a very small difference between this low and the current low of the RSI, but a big difference between the current low and the previous low of the price line. So there is a very high probability that if the price line move a little bit down from here, then RSI will will show us a hidden bullish divergence. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart from here, then we can see that the price line has also broken down all the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100 and 200, and it has also formed a down channel as well, and you can see that it is testing the resistance of the channel more than the supports. We have few touch points here, we have few touch points here as well, here, and right now it is again touching the support, and several touch points you can see we have at the resistance, and the more it will test the resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame from here, then we can see that after hitting here, it got bounced, and now it is again testing and likely to have another bounce, and it can be also a double bottom formation at this support of the down channel, and in that situation it can at least move up to this resistance of the down channel that we have approximately here at $1.46. That will be also a very nice move. However, in case of breakout, the probability will be increased that the price line will again reach the resistance here of this big up channel that will be approximately at $7 or $6.5. Therefore, the Cocos can once again become the most outperforming coin among all altcoins. But for this, we need to first break out this resistance of the down channel, and I'm expecting that we can have a reversal from here. Even a small correction of the Bitcoin can kick Cocos to start this move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.